vision ends with that apple on the tree. That's on my chest cause I ain't ready to save them. Ready to get buck on anybody that plays them. And I think I love them,
I love it. I really love this hair. Oh, it's a frontal. Yes, y'all, it's a frontal.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash, and on my channel I love to do clothing hauls because it makes me feel better about spending money on clothes. And I love to travel, I love to do vlogs and things of that nature, and I also love to do my hair. So this video is a hair video. I'm going to be reviewing this wig I got from Amazon. Yeah, I said it, I got my wig from Amazon. This is really the epitome of being a baddie on a budget, but low-key this really wasn't a budget because it wasn't that cheap, but it was very convenient because it came super fast. So if you're interested in learning more about my wig and where I got it from and all about that, how my experience has been wearing it, stay tuned in my video. But before we get into everything, please make sure to subscribe because I would love to have you join my family and the gang, and just to grow my channel, as well as, you know, you can always keep up with me. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Whenever I do wear hair, a lot of times people do DM me on Instagram, follow me, but people do DM me on Instagram asking me like where I got my hair from and stuff like that, and people are always shocked to hear, well, not always because I've only gotten 2 wigs off of Amazon, but people are shocked to hear I get my wigs off of Amazon, or that you can actually get like good quality looking hair off of Amazon. So I tried out an Amazon wig so you didn't have to, and now you could go get it since I tried it. Basically, how I order my stuff offline, whether it's clothes, whether it's hair, whether it's anything, I usually watch YouTube video on the hair. Basically, what I wanted to do, I just typed in like long curly hair. The kind of vibe I wanted to go for was like a, you know, vacation mommy vibe. Like I wanted the hair to be like long curly hair. Yeah, you see the vibe. The hair comes down to a pretty long length on me. I didn't want poofy curly hair. I wanted like waved down curly hair, like wavy hair, but still had a curl to it. So this is the perfect hair. This is exactly what I was going for. The hair is kind of wet right now because I just, like, you know, finished styling it for this video. It really depends on how much product you put in the hair. If you don't put any product in the hair can get really big and poofy. But if you, the more product you put, and when I say product, I mean conditioner, the kind of more weighed down look you get, and more defined curls and more control of your hair. That's basically what I was looking for when I was searching for a wig, and that's kind of why I bought this wig. I also wanted a frontal wig. Yeah, it's a frontal. It's actually a frontal. I ordered a frontal the other day, and it literally was like a T-part wig. The next thing I'm going to talk about is specifically what wig I got. This is not a sponsored video, but if, you know, you see this guy, you guys see this video, you want to hit me up, do that. But this hair is from a brand called hisakus, and it's called the Brazilian Virgin Remy Wet and Wavy Wig Human Hair Lace Frontal. It's a very long name, but I got this wig in 24 inches. Like I said, it comes down to like about here, dried. It's me trying to show y'all my outfit. But yeah, this is where the hair kind of comes down on me. Really like nice and long. I got the wig in 24 inches. I ordered it on Amazon. I'll link everything down below for you guys. I ordered it on Amazon, and it came in 2 days because, you know, Amazon Prime. And I think that's the best part of ordering your wigs off Amazon. Like if you want to go somewhere really quick, you just need a quick wig and you don't want to spend a big buck, go on Amazon. You don't have to pay for shipping. You get your wig in 2 days. Well, if it has Amazon Prime, you get your wig really fast, and there's reviews underneath this, so you can always like see the hair. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why, but it looks like people don't know how to put on their wig when they put these reviews out, because you'll be looking at a wig on here and it won't look nothing like I don't know how to explain it, but people don't know you need to put a little bit of water, comb it through, put a little conditioner in there. They just be plopping a wig on their head and that's it. And you know, that really is the difference of what your wig is gonna look like. So yeah, so you just have to, you know, take that with a grain of salt, but you know, just read the reviews about shedding and all that stuff and go based off of that. Installing it was really simple and easy. What came with the hair was a stocking cap. I don't know why these wig companies are sending black stocking caps. You guys should stop that. You guys should send brown stocking caps or new stocking caps, because who is wearing a black stocking cap under their wig? But thanks for the stocking cap. They sent like a little spray bottle, as well as yeah, everything is shown in this video, what they sent me. Well, what they sent, what is included when you purchase it. And this is kind of the texture of the hair when you first get it. It's not really like this at all. I'm gonna be honest with you, it does not look like this, but most wigs don't look like what it's supposed to look like when you first get it. You know, you need to wet it, you need to wash it, you need to comb it, you need to bleach the knots, all that stuff. I'm gonna show you guys how I customize my frontal and customize my hair and install my hair. Tell the difference of the side this is the side that has the powder on here. This is the side that doesn't. So this is the side that I put water in. And I just wanted to show y'all the difference. This is it dry, kind of, remember I raked through it a little bit. And this is it wet. I'm really feeling the texture. All of that you guys saw was about like 2 weeks ago before I went on my trip. And today is 2 weeks from installing my hair. I wanted to wear the hair for you guys. I wanted to try it out, actually like wear it in my real life day to day and see how I liked it. So, you know, if you guys, you know, buy it because of me, maybe drop a little comment. Cash Chronicles, I saw it on Cash Chronicles on YouTube. Let them know that you guys bought it because you saw my video. Drum roll, please. I really love this hair. I really like it. I'm really happy with my purchase. It's really the look I was going for, and I just love it so much. I love it, love it, love it. Really was worth my money. I was nervous because I didn't want the wig to be like too curly and too poofy in a sense. I really wanted that, you know, wet and wavy look, and this wig really executed that to the T. The shedding, honestly, I was scared. When I first did my hair, I experienced a lot of shedding when I was like styling it. But me not thinking, I tweezed the frontal, and I forgot to comb out the plucked hair. So that's all the hair that I was seeing. And I was like, what kind of wig did I buy? What kind of wig did I buy? What did I just spend my money on? But no. It was literally from tweezing, and I have not gotten that much hair. I haven't gotten shedding to that amount since I've been wearing this hair. The hair doesn't shed. Like, you know when you have straight hair and you wear it sometimes, and like you'll just be in the house and your hair will just shed, like just by touching it or flipping it or whatever. This hair doesn't shed unless you comb it or brush it, which is understandable because like sometimes I'll go 2 days without actually styling my hair. Sometimes I'll just like, you know, let it dry and rock it for 2 days without like, you know, actually going back in with conditioner and detangling my hair. And that's pretty much the only time the hair really sheds, and I really like that about the hair. It's very minimal shedding with this hair, which is a really big plus. The frontal, I like it. It was very thick though. I don't know if you guys can see. I tried bleaching the knots. They didn't bleach. You know, when you're up close to a wig, you can see it's a wig. So let's take that into consideration when you see the lace up there. I know you can explain it. But yeah, so the knots are kind of dark, but honestly nobody was up in my face like that. And up here, it looks perfectly fine. Over here looks fine too. The only thing I would say, it was really thick, like on the sides, and I really don't enjoy plucking hair that much, so it was a little bit thick. But at the end of the day, I'm not wearing my hair like this. I'm more so wearing it down, and I just like frontals because, you know, you could have the edges. And if you ever want to like take a picture like this, I just like taking pictures like this to let people know it's the frontal, and I can do that. With the closure, you cannot do that. Okay.
I mean, he was Adam, I think I was Eve, but my vision ends with that apple on the tree. That's on my chest cause I ain't ready to save him.
Yeah, so I really like that. But overall, this was a really good wig. I would buy this wig again, and I really like the wig. I'm really trying to think of other things I need to tell y'all, or something I would want to hear in this video, but I don't really have much more to say besides the fact that this was a good purchase. This was a A1 purchase, a 10 out of 10 purchase for me. It did what it needed to sell. Okay, and you can see it in action in my vlog. I think it's going to be posted after this. I have an Orlando girls trip vlog coming up. If you're interested in seeing how I styled my hair and how it held up in my shenanigans, don't forget to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. I really hope you enjoyed this video of me reviewing this wig. I really love the wig, honestly. Really great quality, and I don't regret buying it. If you enjoyed the video, comment down below. I love to hear if you ever bought a wig from Amazon before and how that experience was for you. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos from me, drop them down below. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.